Hello and welcome everyone, MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes Benz S-Class W220. So here is the location of my hood ornament, or the Mercedes emblem on your hood, and let me give you guys a close-up. So here it is, and to remove it, it's very easy. All you're going to need is a set of pliers. So with the plier, I'm going to grab this side of the tab and just turn counterclockwise, as you guys are seeing, just like this. We're fully going to turn it until the tabs are like this, and as you guys are seeing, it's starting to get more free, but I need to grab it and turn it a little bit more. But I need to grab it and turn it just a little bit more so it can get free. And here's the hood ornament. It comes right out, and if you want to replace it with a flat emblem, you could do that, or you could reinstall a new one as well if yours is starting to fade or if it's broken. And then reinstalling this is pretty simple. What we're going to do, we're just going to turn this lock clockwise and it's going to lock into place. So now I'm going to put it back. It's in unlocked position, and I'm going to stick it back into the hole. Make sure it's evenly in. If you don't see any light coming in, that's good, because you have it evenly seated. And then what we're going to do with our pliers is turn this tab clockwise. And just like that, it's locked into place. And now my ornament doesn't move, it's completely locked. And there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial. And if you guys want to see more DIY videos on this Mercedes Benz, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, MrCarMAN, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.